First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, we've got a good-looking day. It's just chillier than it has been of recent, especially Saturday after reaching the 60s, yesterday in the upper 50s, and then the cold front came through, a weak one, but it brought enough colder air that you felt this morning and you're feeling now. And then even a little bit of mixed precipitation. We're going to have more chances to see a little bit of light precipitation mix over the next couple of days as we go through the work week. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar. A little bit chillier start as mentioned, 35 after starting in the 20s early this morning, but high pressure's in control and skies are sunny. We check temperatures now across the Mesonet network. Real-time data coming in. Most everybody at or just above freezing across south central Kentucky. 33 Hardinsburg, 35 Munfordville, 34 in Columbia, Albany at 36, Scottsville, you're at 35, same as Greenville and Madisonville, 36 in Hopkinsville. Here is a live view down Scottsville Road, exit 22 in front of the Greenwood Mall area and looking to the north and west as you look from the Sleep Inn and then looking out toward the mall and the airport area. 37 degrees, but it feels like 32 with that north-northeast wind coming in at 6 miles per hour. But check the dew point here. Now, this is the number that's always important to us when we're looking at the amount of moisture in the air, whether it's dry, whether it's humid, and of course, when it's that low, 16-degree dew point, that means the air is very, very dry. Relative humidity, well, we put it in there just because that's what you're used to hearing. 45% is the humidity reading, but the dew point, well, that means that low. It's very comfortable, but it's also very dry here at the surface. And evidence of that, some of the clear skies that we're seeing all over south central Kentucky. Munfordville, you're at 35 degrees from our AAA Systems vantage point there on 31W. Russellville, downtown square, looking good. Sunny skies, 37 degrees. You were as low as 20 there in Logan County this morning at the Mesonet site. Glasgow, you're at 35 and sunny after starting the day in Barron County at 20 degrees. And Litchfield, you have sunshine and you're looking good there at 33 degrees. 37 at the Bowling Green Airport, a bit warmer, 46 in Knoxville and Huntsville, Alabama, as that frontal boundary is pushing now to the south and east of us. Somewhat cooler air, but not extremely cold off to the north and west of the Bowling Green area. But it was a significant change, 17 degrees colder right now than we were at midday just yesterday. And we see the clouds departed, and of course that little system just kind of faded off into the Virginias yesterday. Back it up 12 hours, and you can see the remnants of that little. Some of you got light rain, a little sleet, and a little snow mixed in. Here's some light snow north of Kansas City and St. Louis, but it's all associated with a trough of low pressure, a little wave or disturbance in the atmosphere. High pressure is hanging on for us today and tonight and for the beginning of your Tuesday, but here comes that little wave, and with it will be just a glancing blow across south central Kentucky. Some increasing clouds during the day tomorrow. Then tomorrow late, we may get a little bit of light rain changing over to light snow, a dusting expected with this one. It is the next one after this. The models are indicating the one on Friday night could produce maybe a little bit more than a dusting, but that's still several days out. Between then, things will be fairly quiet. Mostly sunny, but cooler than yesterday, high of 45 with that north wind. And then for tonight, we're looking at a partly cloudy, cold low of 28. For tomorrow, we'll make it up to 43 with increasing clouds, and there's that 50% chance of some light rain, ending as some light snow. Again, a dusting expected. There could be some slick spots early Wednesday morning with that dusting of light snow. 31, much colder day Wednesday. We try to get back into the 40s for the weekend. And here comes that next system. This is the one we'll have to keep an eye on to see how it tracks and what comes from that. But rain at first, ending with that low of 29. As maybe some light snow Friday night, early Saturday morning. We're back with more Midday Live in just a minute.